So I've been waiting for some parts for the forks so I can rebuild them, and they've finally come. So I've now got two new clips that hold the seals in and two of them washers. Now the reason I ordered two of them washers is you can probably see that they're dead flat, but the one that came out isn't flat. So when I was to get the seals out, you bang the stanchion up and it drives the seal out, and because it was in so solid and rusted, it's obviously bent that, and then it came past that then, and that's why the seal was still stuck in the top of that. So I've got them two clips. I'm just waiting for some fork oil to come. When the fork oil comes and stuff like that, I've ordered a few more bits, but when the fork oil comes, then I can rebuild that fork and then I can start dismantling the other fork. This other fork, it has got a load of rust spots there, but that's where the bottom yoke is, and you can see roughly whereabouts the travel of the spring goes. So I'm going to just rub them down and sort of like try and seal them with some sort of polish or something, and just leave it at that. I'm not buying brand new bloody stanchions for that, to be honest with you. So in the meantime, I've been doing the swinging arm on this. My previous video showed you how I struggled to get the swinging arm out. Well, I've put it all back together now, so hopefully I've obviously got to. So I've had all the discs off and stuff, and I've greased and I've cleaned the shock absorber and tried to clean everything up. This white shit is where I've used a bit of cleaner and I've forgotten, and I've just not dried it. So everything's greased up. The swinging arm's greased up now, everything. So what I'm doing now, every nut and bolt I've had off I've greased up. So what I'm doing now is I'm slowly rebuilding it. Like I said, the next thing is the front forks. Once I've got the forks done, I'm waiting for some head bearings to come. So I shall replace the head bearings, and then what I'll do then is I'll get this rolling chassis then down to my unit, and then what I'll do is I'll get the engine on the workbench, and where it's corroded like that and stuff, I'm going to clean all that up. I'll probably whip the rocker cover off and check the valves, clearances and stuff like that. There's no oil in there, so I'm just going to give it a right good clean. I might give it a little bit of paint or something, and then I'll take the engine down. I've done the carburetors, so I've stripped the carburetors, cleaned them up. I've been cleaning all the starter motor and stuff and the water pump in there. So once I've done that, I shall take it down to the unit and I shall start building it up. So I'm hoping that within the next 2 weeks I should have a rolling chassis with an engine in, and then I can start putting the loom back on and all the other stuff, and we'll get it started, and then I'll take it for an MOT. I've obviously got to take all this shit back down. So I'm hoping by the end of August, beginning of September, it'll be MOT'd and I'll be able to tax it then, and then we'll go for a spin on it. So that's it guys, I'm afraid. It's just a quick update. I'm going to concentrate on getting some power back in this shed as well, because when I flick the switch to on, it keeps bloody blowing. So we'll see what happens there. But anyway guys, that's it, and I'll give you another update quite soon.